Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So we'll discuss two main things in this video. One, the big storm system down in Italy and the Balkans. Two, the big systems heading towards the British Isles. So let's first see here for Italy. So let's see. We have that low pressure there, and all those intense storms and rain across Italy, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, and some other areas. So this is the GFS. It shows today those storms continue, more intense across Croatia and parts of Montenegro, Bosnia, and the Adriatic Sea, and still some in Italy there. The low pressure still on the other side of Italy. So let's see. And then for Tuesday, it has those storms continuing parts of southeastern Europe, especially Tuesday afternoon into northern Greece and North Macedonia and Albania there, and southern Serbia. So let's see. Maybe more to central Greece, a storm or two and some showers. Then Wednesday, still a storm or two there, and some more rain in other areas there, but nothing crazy. Let's see. So that is the GFS. The European has a similar thing. It has the storms in Italy today, more intense storms in many parts of Italy, and especially like in the Adriatic Sea, more intense storms in Bosnia today, more to Croatia, but mainly it shows more in Bosnia, southern Croatia more, and Montenegro shows a lot of storms into northern Croatia and southern Slovenia, might be some intense storms as well, and into western Hungary, especially southwestern Hungary, there might be more storms. And then into Tuesday the 20th, tomorrow, has more storms still in the Adriatic Sea near Italy, southern Italy, some storms still there, but now more storms in northern Greece, parts of western Bulgaria and North Macedonia. So especially Tuesday afternoon in all those areas there around Montenegro, Kosovo, southern Serbia, Bosnia, still some in Croatia, and some more in northern Greece and North Macedonia and Albania. So let's see, it continues into Tuesday night, some still there in parts of Greece, storm or two. Then to Wednesday, it has still some intense storms near Croatia, southern Hungary, parts of Bulgaria and Serbia, some other areas there into Thursday. So let's see what else. There's this other model, a little bit more high resolution, so it shows the low pressure in the Adriatic Sea and another low pressure in the Mediterranean. So I think that's the dominant one in the Mediterranean, but it kind of switches places. So let's see. It has all that rain and storms today in the Adriatic Sea, so please be careful there. I don't recommend sailing or anything today. It might be dangerous in the middle of these storms. And let's see, still a storm or two in Sardinia and Corsica today. Still might be some storms there, and this low pressure keeps spinning in the Mediterranean near Italy. And by Tuesday, approaches southern Italy. More storms to southern Italy tomorrow, and still on Wednesday some storms there. But for Monday today, has more intense storms in Bosnia and Croatia, especially more near Montenegro, Serbia, and Albania, and especially like see in the sea near northern Greece, Albania, and more in south, in parts of Slovenia, southern Slovenia, northern Croatia too. And let's see that by tonight it shows that other low pressure spinning in the Adriatic Sea, still bringing more storms to Italy, so more intense storms in central Italy today, Monday, and then tonight to tomorrow, more storms in the west, in the eastern coast of Italy there. So let's see. By Tuesday tomorrow, shows it keeps spinning there. More storms throughout the countries in the Adriatic Sea, especially some tense ones in southern Croatia, Bosnia, Kosovo, and southern Serbia there. And more showers and storms in parts of northern Greece, in Albania, and Bulgaria, and southern Italy, even more central Italy there, and some in the Alps too. So be aware. Let's see. And then by Tuesday night, still some stuff near Greece and Italy there. And by Wednesday, still shows some storms in Albania, in Greece especially, and like Montenegro and Bosnia there. So, and then it quiets down a little bit, but there still might be a storm or two in the afternoon on Thursday. So be aware. But please be careful for Monday today. Very intense storms there. Let's see. There's this higher resolution model, but it only shows northern Italy. But let's see. It shows the intense storms in the Adriatic Sea affecting northeastern Italy today. So please be careful in those areas, like near Venice and some other areas too. Some intense storms. And in central Italy and Corsica shows more storms as well. Let's see. Here we can see better here in Sardinia. It shows more storms too. Through central Italy there, and even to Tuesday tomorrow, still some storms there in northern Italy and Austria and in central Italy. So be careful with those intense storms there. Let's see. So there's this other model here. Here it shows today the intense storms in Bosnia. It shows very intense in Bosnia, in northern central Italy. Shows in Croatia some very heavy there as well. Near Greece and Bulgaria, Serbia, you might have some stuff in Albania. So be careful in all of those areas, but especially today around Croatia and Bosnia there, and southern Slovenia later today, and around the Adriatic Sea. Then that low pressure goes south into southern Italy tomorrow, and more storms tomorrow afternoon around those areas, northern Greece, Bosnia, Serbia, Croatia, those areas, and even some in Italy still. So stay safe. And Wednesday, still some storms on Wednesday. So let's see the rainfall accumulation. This is for Monday only. Today shows very intense across Croatia and southern Slovenia, near northeastern Italy there, and especially southern Croatia into Bosnia and near Montenegro. So, and this is until Wednesday. It shows a lot of accumulation there, and especially southern Croatia, Bosnia. So please be careful. Those heavy storms today might cause flooding. So please be mindful and be careful. They might have some strong winds, lightning, and even some hail. So please be careful in those areas. Let's see. Here. So there's still a lot of energy in the Adriatic Sea and parts of the countries there for those storms. So a lot of cape, especially in Italy and those areas around there. So these storms could become very strong, especially with the high sea surface temperatures there, might cause more severity in the storms there. So it's around 29 to 30 degrees in some areas of the sea there. So that's a lot of energy to feed those storms. So please be careful. And let's see, the rain accumulation from today to next Thursday shows close to 49 millimeters. Let's see, 49, 38 millimeters. The European, the GFS shows close to 30 millimeters, 38. Let's see. And the Icon has more in DJI-XC, but still more close to 40 millimeters in parts of Slovenia, Croatia, and even some in northern Greece, Macedonia, in Albania. But let's see. So be careful there. And he has especially more in Croatia and Slovenia there. So stay safe, and especially don't mind the rainfall totals because they appear low there, but those storms might be severe some, and they might have some heavy downpours, so be careful during the storms and with some areas of flooding that they might cause. So stay safe. Let's see now. Now for the UK there, today's Monday the 19th, and there's already a front there. That low pressure already closing in on Ireland in that front. So let's see. It continues, brings more rain to Ireland and the UK today. So let's see, and then it keeps going there, more through Scotland later today. Then it goes out by tomorrow. But there's that new low pressure there by tomorrow, Tuesday. Only expect to bring some light rain, but then it goes away. But the big guy is this guy there. That's the remnants of Hurricane Ernesto there. So it comes, leaves that powerful front there, some heavy rain across the UK and Ireland. Then the low pressure comes in, leaves more heavy rain Wednesday through Thursday, especially on Thursday. More heavy rain in the UK on Thursday, and then it goes away. Then still some leftovers there from some other fronts by Friday, especially by Saturday. Another front in the south on Saturday there, passing through the southern UK, Belgium, and the Netherlands. So yeah, but be careful, be aware of the rain from this front today, but especially Wednesday through Thursday, when that more powerful system will approach. So let's see. The European, so that was the GFS. The European has the front today, a lot of rain in Ireland, maybe a storm or two in the UK as well. More rain there, then it goes out, and then that's weak low pressure tomorrow, Tuesday, brings some rain, and the big system by Wednesday arrives on Wednesday with a lot of rain, especially in Scotland, in the northern UK, and then the front arrives in Ireland by like Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, a lot of heavy rain, some storms into the UK between Wednesday and Thursday there. And then the European actually has another system coming Thursday into Friday there. Like Thursday night to Friday shows a very intense system into Ireland there, going into the UK, but very intense near Ireland, some heavy rain there. And then it keeps going more into the UK and Scotland. So actually this system arrives on Thursday. I think it might be this one, the remnants of Ernesto, because it hasn't even passed through Canada yet. So we'll keep monitoring this. So let's see the big picture, so we can have an idea. So this is today, that system there. Today is Monday, and then that's the remnants of Ernesto there. By Wednesday, so that's the big system on Wednesday. The remnants of Ernesto joined with another low pressure south of Iceland, and then it keeps going there, brings all that rain, and then that new system forms on Friday there, and gets a little bit more intense. So let's see some wind gusts from the system. So today, Monday, might be some stronger winds in between Ireland and the UK from this first system today, around some 50, I think some even more than 70 kilometers per hour in some areas there. Then it keeps going, Then the little system on Tuesday brings some gusty winds, especially near Scotland and Northern Ireland too. And then the big system on Wednesday leaves some gusty winds, much of those seas there. Might be some gale warnings in the seas and everything. And then a very intense part of the system with some potentially more close to 100 km/h winds passes close to Ireland, and those intense winds cross there near Ireland and the UK by Thursday. Then it keeps going. Still by Thursday afternoon, some gusty winds left over, and by Friday that new system with more gusty winds, some 60 to 70 km/h, and even some 80s. So be careful there. Let's see. For the whole of Europe, a little bit better. So it shows today's Monday. It shows some strong winds near the coast of southern France there. Let's see, and those purples are like 75 km/h. Now in southern Ireland from that system, some 80 km/h. Let's see, that one keeps going, and by Tuesday, the other system by Tuesday might have some 90 km/h winds in the seas there and near Northern Ireland. Then it keeps going, and the big system on Wednesday comes there, some 90 km/h and 88. Then it approaches the southwestern coast of Ireland, close to 91 km/h. Then it goes and leaves some gusty winds in the UK too, especially in those mountains there. So this is the icon. Let's see the European model. It has a similar thing. Today, Monday, that system there with gusty winds. And then Tuesday, there near Scotland. Let's see. And on Wednesday, the remnants of Ernesto come, bring very good gusty winds. Let's see a little bit closer. Some 83 km/h in some areas. And then the system by Friday there, especially in Ireland. So let's see. More than 70 km/h or even higher. Then it crosses the UK by Friday. So stay safe there from those systems and everything. And rain accumulation today, Monday, from that system there. Tuesday, a little bit more in Ireland and parts of the UK. Until Thursday has a lot there, especially in Scotland. More than 100 millimeters. Be aware of isolated floods. Let's see, and until Saturday, it has more in the southern UK there, but especially a lot in the north there from all those systems. So stay safe. Some in Iceland as well, especially northern Iceland, and the Faroe Islands might have to. So stay safe. Let's see. For the rest of Europe, and those storms in southern Europe today in Italy and the Balkans might have some very gusty winds as well. But let's see, but Wednesday, Thursday, the wind actions mainly in the north there because of those systems, where by Tuesday in Norway, some stronger winds into Sweden too. And Wednesday, that's as that system comes, gusty winds possible near the seas in Denmark, more across like the UK, and then most things that cross the UK affect Norway later. So by Thursday, the remnants of Ernesto already affect Norway. Friday, Saturday. So yeah, and by Fridays that other system crosses might leave some strong winds near the Netherlands, Denmark, and Norway. And let's see, then as it crosses through Norway, Sweden might leave some gusty winds later. So be aware, especially like Tuesday, as that system from today goes near Norway and Sweden, some strong winds there. So the rain accumulation from today to next Saturday for Norway shows a lot in western Norway, more than 100 millimeters from those systems, more across some other areas, northern Norway, some through Sweden. Let's see, Denmark, more across some areas of Denmark, and Finland is already in another area, but has more rain for Finland too. Might be some storms and stuff. So let's see for the whole of Europe, the general pattern. So it has that front into France, by tonight and Tuesday, a little front there to Belgium, the Netherlands, more storms through Eastern Europe. So by Wednesday, that big system goes through like Sweden, Poland, and the Baltics into northeastern Europe and Finland. Might have more storms there Wednesday through Thursday, and then the systems there in the UK. Let's see. And then that system also leaves a cold front by Saturday in parts of Central Europe, and even to in Spain there, some storms by Saturday and Sunday across many areas of southern and eastern Spain. Let's see, and then invention to parts of Central Europe by next Monday, and Italy again in some areas. So yes, be aware, and might affect some areas of Central Europe too, the cold front. So yeah, stay safe from those systems and warn others. Let's see. The temperatures are still very hot, especially across southern Spain, close to 40 degrees there. In some areas, 36, 37 in Portugal. So stay safe. Let's see. Across Eastern Europe, also 34, 32 degrees, 36, 35 degrees, still hot. And some 30s in parts of Russia and Ukraine. Then Tuesday, tomorrow, still very hot across the Middle East and southern Turkey. Let's see, even some 39, 38, 37 still in Portugal and Spain. In southern France still in the 30s, 32, 34, 33, so be aware. 22, and let's see, 30 is there, and yeah, stay safe. Let's see here. So this is the drought monitor, but here, this is the fire danger. There's higher fire danger across southern France because of the winds and the dry conditions and everything. More fire danger across Spain, Portugal, and Turkey. There are some active fires in Greece and Turkey. And let's see, Tuesday, still some fire danger in those areas there. So yeah, stay safe. And next week, where those systems come, it might get colder, but it's generally still hot in southern and eastern Europe. In Italy, might be in the 20s and 30s, and especially in Spain and Portugal. So be aware and stay safe.